Together with the customer, we develop this specific solution. We realized a linear lighting solution for the customer by integrating the design into their very nice premium level kitchen, and we started cooperation together on maximizing the value of space. From Häfele, many people have been involved in this project. Technicians, our technical competence centers, the lighting development, and as well internal sales. So you see many persons were involved in that kind of project. It's a long-term established collaboration that we have since many years with our customers.